Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my M1 Finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. So, I just completed my 39th week of investing this week. So, my portfolio is back to $10,000 again. Yeah, it was down last week. It was about 9,800. So, I'm glad that this week did pretty well and my portfolio bounced back. So, for you guys who are new to my channel, I created this the day before New Year's, and I wanted to see how much this portfolio will grow in 2020. My original goal was 10K, and I've already reached that. And hopefully, it will reach about 13 to 15K then by this year ends. And also, this is started mostly as a dividend portfolio, but I'm glad that I added some no dividend stocks here. That's why my portfolio has grown a lot. Okay, so this week I deposited $200, but that $200 I bought $100 worth of Tesla and $100 worth of Apple because they've been going down. That's why I concentrated my $200 investment on those two stocks. So now let's go over my pie. We'll start with the technology. We're gonna save no dividend for last. So technology, it's 35% of my pie. Let's change this to week. Nvidia, I gained $2.31, which is up 0.20%. This is the only winner from my technology this week. Microsoft, I lost $17.51, which is down 1.78%. Skyworks, I lost 74 cents, which is down 0.10%. Apple, I lost $32.97, which is down 4.86%. Yeah, so they are red right now, but it looks like it's gonna be green. If not this coming week, it's gonna be green in the next 2 weeks. For my technology, I lost $48.91, which is down 1.39%. I did not earn any dividends. For my consumer, it's 10% of my pie. For this week, McDonald's, I gained $5.21, which is up 1.04%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $2.73, which is down 0.56%. So for my consumer this week, I gained $2.48, which is up 0.25%. I did not earn any dividends. So for my finance, it consists 8% of my pie. So for Visa this week, I gained $7.49, which is up 0.96%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 6% of my pie. Honeywell, I gained $7.94, which is up 1.35%. I did not earn any dividends. So for my communication, this consists 6% of my pie. Verizon, I gained $5.41, which is up 0.94%. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, I haven't been earning dividends. This portfolio is started as a dividend investing portfolio, but I don't think the dividend was worth of the losses from some of the stocks, and they are not worth the gain. That's why my pie consists of 35% no dividend, because the stocks in here has a lot of growth potential. That's why my portfolio is $10,000 right now. If I didn't add my no dividend slice, I don't think that this portfolio will be at 10,000 right now. So for my no dividend, it consists 35% of my pie. Tesla, I gained $385.73, which is up 18.55%. See, this is why I added this growth stocks, because it's a good boost for my pie. It is 18.55% return. That's a lot. And hopefully Tesla will go up next week, because it's going to be the battery day on Tuesday. Square, I gained $46.25, which is up 5.50%. Roku, I gained $21.77, which is up 3.22%. So as you guys can see, for my no dividend this week, I gained $453.75, which is 12.62%. This is the exact reason why I added this slice in my portfolio. It just makes my portfolio gain more money. So for this week, as you guys can see, they are all green. The only loss I have was my technology slice. Yeah, they've been taking a great hit this past 3 weeks. Especially Apple, it's been going down, and that's why I decided to add Apple on my technology slice, because I think they are on sale right now, and it's Apple, so it will go up eventually. So for my moneymaker this week, I gained $428.16, which is 4.26% return. I did not earn any dividends, and I would have this gain if I didn't have my growth stocks slice and this portfolio. So overall this week, I did pretty well. As you guys can see, this is a good gain. And hopefully next week it will go up, just because it looks like the technology has been getting hit bad this past few weeks, and it seems like it's gonna go up next week. And I believe that Tesla will go up next week too because of the battery day announcement. As I tell you guys every week, if you have little money or if you have money at all, start investing and keep growing your wealth. So that's it for this week. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.